Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Ford Ranger hood from the outside. Sometimes, the internal release cable can break or become disconnected, leaving you unable to access your engine bay. Don't worry, there are effective ways to get your hood open without the interior lever. We'll guide you through the steps to safely release the latch using external methods, ensuring you can perform necessary maintenance or repairs. The most common method involves accessing the latch directly through your Ford Ranger's front grille. Carefully look into the grille opening to locate the hood latch assembly, usually near the center. Take a long, sturdy flathead screwdriver or a similar tool. Gently insert it through the grille and maneuver it until you can feel the latch lever. Push this lever firmly to the side, typically to the left for left-hand drive vehicles, to release the primary catch. If your Ford Ranger's grille design prevents direct access, you might need to approach the latch from underneath the vehicle. Ensure your truck is on a level surface and safely accessible. Lie on your back under the front bumper and look upwards towards the hood latch assembly. You may be able to see or feel the release cable or the latch mechanism itself. Use a long tool, like a pry bar or a strong wire, to push or pull the lever and disengage the hood. After successfully releasing the hood, carefully lift it and secure it in the open position using the prop rod, if your Ranger has one. This is crucial for safety while you work. Take this opportunity to inspect the hood latch mechanism and the release cable for any signs of damage, corrosion, or wear. Applying a good quality lubricant to the latch components can help prevent future sticking and ensure reliable operation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.